Notice, and this only works when you double the volume. Notice that I've doubled the volume. What's happened to the concentrations? It becomes half as much, okay? Because they're the same number of particles, but I've doubled the volume. So when you're doubling the volume, you can just take the concentrations and divide it by half, or you can go through the whole millimole concentration thing, whatever you want to do. Now, here's the deal. Now I need to calculate my Qsp. So my Qsp for magnesium hydroxide is going to be my magnesium ion concentration times my hydroxide ion concentration squared. So in this situation, I'm going to take 0.05 and multiply that by 0.10 squared. Five times 10 to the negative something.
5 times 10 to the negative 4.
5 times 10 to the negative 4. So there's my Qsp. Now, let's look at this from Mother Nature's perspective. Mother Nature wants a Ksp value to be 1.8 times 10 to the minus 11. That's when Mother Nature is going to be in equilibrium. You got 5 times 10 to the negative 4. Too big, way too big. So my Qsp is much bigger than my Ksp. So Mother Nature is going, whoa, this would be like me walking into this room and there's like 300 people milling around. Okay? Like, there's a huge number of people like, whoa, I'm going to flip out. 300 people in this room, 385 or 285 of you need to sit down because only 15 of you can mill around. And that's what's going to happen here. Mother Nature is going, this concentration is way too big. Mother Nature is flipping out. So what's the only way Mother Nature can decrease the concentration of the ions? By making what?
PPT.
A precipitate. So Mother Nature goes, hey, we're going to make a precipitate. I still can have some ions, but only when the ion concentration is 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5th. Now, let's say we did this, and it was 5.0 times 10 to the negative 12. If it was less than the Ksp, you don't have, you've just mixed these solutions together. There's no bank. Bank is closed. There is no bank. Yeah, they're going to stay in the solution. That would be like me walking in and there's 10 of you milling around. Like, okay, I'm cool. There's just 10 of you. I'm good at 15. So if my Qsp is less than your Ksp, you just don't get a precipitate. Because Mother Nature goes, hey, I'm cool. I'm not saturated. 10 is being saturated. I'm cool. Now I walk in, my K value is 15, and there's 15 of you walking around. What's going to happen? I'm cool. I'm at equilibrium. So if your Qsp equals your Ksp, you're just at equilibrium. If it's less than, if your Qsp is less than, you're just not going to make a precipitate. If your Ksp is greater, and technically it needs to be greater by like a factor of like 1,000, then it goes, whoa, this is bad. I'm going to make a precipitate. Okay, so shut down that camera for a second, please.